Hey guys, we got this really annoying, I think it's a 15 Dodge Journey, and I just did a full system scan. Let's go to the report. They said the airbag light comes on, and the airbag light comes on, and I guess there's some other lights that come on. There we go. Let's save this. Let's see what lights come on. I didn't start it. All I did was do a full system scan. According to this, got passenger occupant detector high, tire pressure sensor location undetermined. So we do got a service tire pressure sensor. Steering wheel control module, speed switch, fob battery. Okay, those are stored. The active is a tire pressure sensor. Internal failure. Guess we'll look at the tire pressure real quick. Tire pressure sensor 1 says 0. 2 says 0. 3 says 0. 4 says 0. So I'm gonna get my TPMS tool, and we'll see if we can read these. Okay guys, so I got my Autel here. I'm gonna try to scan these. All sensors. See if somebody either didn't program these. Look at that, 40. I wonder if somebody didn't program these. Okay, so that one's not working. We did have a sensor 2 internal fault, remember? Okay, well, I guess we can let this time out. Yeah, we're not going to get anything. So we'll go to 3. 3 worked. Oh, is there a spare tire on this? I didn't look to see that we might have a spare tire sensor. Okay, look at that. So that front one. Oh, look at that. They're actually showing up on here. Oh, look at that. Oh, because I woke them all up. So that one, front right TPMS sensor is bad. So we'll tag this one again. Yeah, so front right's bad. So now we know why that light's on. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so we're not even gonna bother pulsing that anymore. Okay, front right's bad. Let's see if we can get our code off of here. Then we don't have to program it later. We can just type in the code. Should be like a hex code. 2. Sensor ID right there. That's 00279A7F. If we type that into a new sensor, it should show up. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm going to go back. We'll go to our report. Got to figure out what these codes are. So I don't know if it's resume and down that's not working, because our cruise control works right there. So that works. Let's see. Live data. Okay, so it is responding to this. When I press it, let's go down. So look at that, down has a different one too. Cancel responds differently. on and off is different. There you go. Now you got voltage readings. Because they're all resistive based. That's how they get so many different ones on the same circuit. So that we're not worried about. So we want to look at this occupant restraint. What was our code? I'm gonna go look this up real quick. B1CD. Hey guys, so I looked up the code, and the code's for I think high resistance or second condition, high voltage on the sensor for 2.5 to 5 seconds. DTC will not latch for an entire ignition cycle. Okay, so there we go. So it's high resistance. Here we go. So let's go to live data. We're an occupant restraint. See what it does. Just want to see. So it says there's no switch, I guess, to disable it. Trying to see if there's anything to detect the passenger side. How they're doing this. Looks like that's the only thing in here. So it shows selected. I don't know what that occupant detection not configured. Unless that means it's not available. SNA. Sensor not available. Maybe? I don't know. Just see if anything changes when we sit on this. Guess we could look underneath the seat. I'll quick look underneath the seat, do a quick visual, see if there's anything. Hey guys, so I'm guessing this is the wire right here. It says it's a black connector with 2 pins. These are 2 white wires right here, so I don't know if that's the occupant detection or not, because I was looking on here and they show this black. So I think I might get my Utest terminal kit out. We'll measure the resistance of this, because in this flow chart right here it says about measuring the resistance to the harness. See, measure the voltage. Okay, it tells you measure voltage. We might just go to resistance first. I'm trying to see where it's at, because it said in here something about measuring 1 ohm. I think most of these are like 2 to 3, but this seat could be different right here. Disconnect the under seat inline harness connector. Measure the occupant detection return circuit. That's where it's less than 1 ohm. I want to see if they had a value for the right here. They want you to ohm check this. So I guess that's what we'll do. Shut the car off. We'll go underneath the seat. We'll measure the resistance there with the Utest terminal kit, and we'll see what it is. Guys, I'm probed into the harness right here. And look at this. We're on auto range, and it says OL. So even when I manually select these, look at that. We got nothing. So I'll put it back on auto. And we got a good connection here. We're probed in, or front probed. No change. I guess we'll move this up and go sit on the seat. See if there's a change there, but I think we got an open in our seat. Yeah, we got an open in our seat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out one of our resistors. We'll put a resistor in our circuit, and we'll see if that allows us to work. Okay guys, so I got a 2.3 ohm resistor in here. So I'm going to put this in there and we'll see what happens with this circuit. Okay, so let's turn the key on. There we go. Let's see, so we still have a high circuit. I don't know how this circuit works, but we do know that we have yeah, we can't even sit on it. We do know that we have an open in the circuit. So that's where we're at right now. Okay guys, so I realized I didn't have my pins in right. So this one pin, this red one, was not on the pin, it was above the pin. So now they're probed in right. We got our resistor on there. Let's turn our key on, see what happens. Let's see, look at that. Passenger side airbag deactivated, occupant status occupied. Look at that, it's occupied. So I bet you our code might have gone away. Or it might be stored. Stored. Look at that. So we need a new sensor. We just proved it with the AESwave Utest terminal kit. We used, what was it, 2.2 ohm resistor? Boom. Done. So now, watch this. So if we turn this off, so we got it off. Let's go down here. We'll pull our Utest terminal kit out. So we proved we got an open. Plug that back in, okay? So it's plugged back in now. Turn our key on. Our code's gonna go active. Actually, I don't know if it'll say active because I think we need to have a... Oh, there we go, active. Look at that. Code's active. Crazy, isn't it? We just proved it. Passenger side. Present sensor neck. Look at that. Because it's not configured because it can't, it sees a fault. So I'm going to quote a seat cushion and a TPMS sensor.